Hello everyone, welcome to this new series dedicated to AP Precalculus. My name is Rami and I'm excited to guide you through some key concepts and problems that you will encounter on the AP Precalculus exam. In this series, we will break down various AP Precalculus questions step by step, making complex topics easier to understand. Whether you are a beginner or just looking to reinforce your skills, this series is designed to help you feel confident and prepared. So let's dive in and start tackling those AP Precalculus problems together. The temperature in degrees Celsius in a city on a particular day is modeled by the function t, defined by t of t equals 75t to the power 3 negative 836t to the power 2 plus 3100 t negative 4185 over 14t squared plus 10t negative 35, where t measured in hours from 12 p.m. for t greater than or equals to and less than 9. The question is, based on the model, how many hours did it take for the temperature to increase from 0 Celsius to 5 Celsius degrees? Don't forget that this question is in section 1, part B, calculator required. So we can use our calculator. We can use the graphing calculator, Desmos. Before going there, as you can see here, that we have a graph. This is the x-axis, which is t small in hours, and the y-axis, which is t of t in Celsius degrees. We have to know that t is in between 2 and 9. So this is not in our solutions. Don't forget that based on this. This function or any function will be in here. This is t of t. This is a point in here. As you can see, this point is t small and this point is t of t. This one is in hours and this is in Celsius degrees. The question, based on the model, how many hours did it take for the temperature to increase from 0, this is t equals 0, until t equals 5 Celsius degrees? So if you just go there, you're gonna see this is the point t in hour 1 and 0 Celsius degree. And for this point, it should be somewhere in here. This is h2, I mean the time, and 5 Celsius degrees. So how many hours it will take for the temperature to increase from 0, from here, to here? So we are talking about hours. In this axis, we have to draw this graph on Desmos because the calculator requires. Find those 2 points and make this equation h2 negative h1 in the x-axis, because he is asking us about hours. Hours in x-axis, how many hours? So the temperature started from here and ending in here. In y-axis, it's about the temperature, and the x-axis, it's about time. For this reason, we're going to subtract the x-axis of those 2 points. Now we're going to go to Desmos graphing calculator. We are now here in Desmos, so graphing calculator. So let's us write the function t of t. T of t equals 2. You have to know how to write the function 75 t to the power 3, negative 8, 3, 6, t to the power 2, plus 3, 1, 3, 1, 0, 0, t, negative 4, 1, 8, 5, all of that divided by 14t to the power 2, plus 10t, negative 35. Make sure that you are writing it correctly. 75t to the power 3, negative 836t to the power 2, plus 3100t, negative 4185 divided by 14t to the power 2, plus 10t, negative 35. Yeah. As we know that here is time in hours. I want to, yes, okay. And here's the x-axis, which is the time in hours. And here is the y-axis, which is represent the temperature. We know that here it's not in our answer, and greater than 9 is not in our answer. This point here, the intersection, let's just save it. What does this point represent? This represents the temperature equals 0 and the time, which equals 5.42025 hours. So as you know, we want to find the other point, which is 5. Yes, please. Yes, t of, right, this point. I'm trying to get 5 as much as I can, but yes, it is somehow. This point, the y-axis is the temperature, 5 Celsius. Well, I'm thinking just to take a print screen and just go back to the PowerPoint. Then, as you can see here, we have 2 points. I'll change the color. I'll choose the blue. This is temperature equals 0 Celsius degree, and this is time, which is equal to 5.42 hours. And the second point, which is at 5, which is the temperature, and this is time, and this is temperature in Celsius degrees. So the idea is just to calculate the difference in time between these 2 points, which is equals to 7.7404 negative 5.42. 7.704 negative 5.420. Then the time will be 2.284. Returning back to the choices, we can see the answer is D. It will take 2.28 hours to rise the temperature from 0 Celsius degree to 5 Celsius degrees. And that's how we complete solving this question. I hope you found some new insights and enjoyed the video. Don't forget to share it with your colleagues and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content.